Weeds. You gotta love them. Poa Nua. Spurge. Dandelion. Annual Blue. Another Annua. The list goes on and on. And today we're going to talk about weeds and the 5 W's. Hi, I'm Francis, and this is Nice AZ Lawn. Well, good morning, guys, and welcome back. And today I want to personally thank each and every one of you who either liked or subscribed to my page. Recently I've hit 100, so that was a big milestone for me. It allows me to continue on with what you see here. And today I want to talk about weeds and the 5 W's. And the first W we begin with is why. Of course, that's really easy. We're trying to control or eradicate weeds. Weed control is one of the pillars that you need to hone in on to have a successful and healthy looking lawn. What are we killing? As a beginner, it's really hard to tell what weeds you're trying to kill or prevent. I'll include at the bottom a website called Lawn Dork to where you can actually type up the specific weed or weed characteristics, such as dandelion. You can put a yellow flower and it'll list dandelions and all sorts of weeds that have a yellow flower. Oftentimes timing is very important in weed management or weed prevention. This year I went with the green light Amaze grass and weed preventer. This is a granular product that you use to water in, and that basically prevents any type of germination of any weed seeds. It will not kill any existing weeds, but it will help control the numbers of weeds that pop up in your yard. And the next W that we want to talk about is where. Where are you applying your herbicide? Is it going to be on a cool season lawn, or is it going to be on a warm season lawn? And finally, I want to talk about the last W, and that's who. That's you. You need to take the time to read the label and follow it down to a T. Also, make sure to use gloves, eye protection, long sleeves, and rubber shoes. As you guys notice, around my lawn I have rock areas, and to control the weeds that I have around there that do pop up, I will use a product called Roundup. It's got glyphosate and it will kill just about anything, grass, weeds, and whatnot. And I'm also trying this one. It's called Natria. It'll also kill anything from grasses to weeds. The next is a selective herbicide. This is what I use on my lawn to control broadleafs that pop up. This is the Spectracide Weed Stop for lawns. I can use this on my lawn at any time as long as the temperatures don't hit close to 85 degrees. This is another product that I use that you can find in the big box store. It specifically is a selective herbicide. It's called the Nutsedge killer. I will actually use this product if those weeds arise in my lawn. When using non-selective herbicides, I want to point out, make sure to buy yourself a dedicated hand can specifically for those products, and do not use it for any other spray application. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to hit that bell. Ding! and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. So as the lawn season starts, you want to prevent any weed seeds from coming up in the lawn. And this year I went with this granular product. It's called, it's made by Green Light, Amaze Grass and Weed Preventer. It's a granular product that you will water in. This helps